And
From the V8s, they stay wet.
They usually crack.
no,
they'll dry out too.
They dry out too.
Don't they crack?
they can.
And is that a uniquely Ford thing, or is that all valves are
That's
done?
common to all
Everything.
valve guide
I've never heard
seals.
of umbrella seal before, and all that stuff.
Okay. You
Well,
it held
that's
down.
why you're here.
Yeah.
I now
There
know.
they are. Hold the camera. Be the cameraman.
I got it.
In here like this.
You can get that one in first truck. And then
I know, I'm scared.
What?
This is a test.
Now, periodically a spring will break, right? What happens then?
You got to replace the spring.
You replace all of them because they won't be even.
Well, ideally you should place them all. Is it kind of let go?
Yeah, you can let go for now.
They didn't go in.
No, we need to go in. I just want you to. If you want to take a breather for a second.
Oh no, I don't need to take a breather.
All right, push hard. There you go. Keep going. You gotta go more because it's cocking on this side.
How's that?
No, it's cocking on this side.
Is that cock?
Is it hitting against the
Now
bench?
it's popping off. There we go. Yeah.
I pumped off everything. Yeah, we'll get it.
Now, this would be immensely easier if you pulled the engine. Right?
No.
No?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Why would you pull the engine?
I don't
You
know.
still have to go through the same process with the engine out, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot less fun.
Okay, now here, let's try this.
You want to hold that one with that one?
And then go over here like this.
Ooh, yeah, Mr. Sherman.
Oh, really? You had a 65 Bonneville?
Right there. Nice and easy. Come up. We got it. There we
Okay,
go.
there's one.
389, right?
Victory. Next. Go.
Next.
Here we go.
Can we get this one?
I think so. We're gonna have to do our intertwined ballet. Ooh, perfect. Oh, you're letting air out.
I hear air.
Yeah. We need to bang that a little bit.
I did.
You got the socket to give that a little rat-a-tat-tat. Yeah. That's also a technical.
So because we're hearing air, that's because
It's opening the valve.
It opened that. See, the exhaust valve's smaller, and because
Less
it's
pressure.
smaller, you don't have as much pressure holding it up.
Wow.
Give it a little wrap, sir.
Put them away.
Which ones do you tell the difference between the exhaust valve and the... How do you tell the exhaust valve and the...
Well, here's your exhaust manifold here.
Yeah.
See how that's the exhaust side?
Yeah?
Exhaust, intake.
You have to look on
Intake.
the other side.
Oh, I see.
Exhaust, intake, exhaust. They line up.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
They line up with the port. Most of the time. Nope.
It's not loosening up. We'll leave that one alone for the time being.
We'll come back to that. Let's do another intake, huh?
Yeah. The intakes are the ones that are causing the oil burning.
Oh, right.
The exhausts really aren't.
What's
as critical.
behind me don't matter.
Yeah.
And are those threaded just for that purpose?
No, those
That's for the rocker shaft.
rocker
Oh, right,
shaft
right.
tower.
Right.
We're multi-purpose
Right,
here.
sure.
You go over a little bit. There you go.
Are we there?
Yeah. You gotta bang it. You gotta bang it.
Oh, you know what? We
We need to put air in there. Close that
air
off.
off.
Stop this clip.
That's definitely bouncing. We
Bounce.
should be good. We are with air.
We are ready. Okay. Who wants to be my camera guru?
There we go.
There we go.
One's an easy one.
That's easy. Ugh.
You want these?
Oh yeah, thank you. Okay. There we go. I just don't want to go nuts or it goes flying. There's one.
Because that would be me.
Oh, I've had them go.
Why does everything have a sexual innuendo?
That's how we roll. Go down a little bit. There we go. Got it.
All right.
Retainer, or 2 locks, 2-piece retainer, spring.
What was that? No idea.
Oh, you're hitting the
Spark?
you're hitting the cable.
Oh, you might have hit the cable. I don't
Well,
know.
there's the boing boing.
Oh, it popped off. Here's another hard one.
Hard one.
Hard one.
Is there an upside or a downside to those seals? They go on one way or the other?
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
like umbrellas. They go on like an umbrella.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see how hard.
You know, it's like Marlo Thomas.
Are these seals made for this engine, or are they universal?
They're pretty much universal.
Yeah, they're very similar.
Would it go on easier?
Well, it went on pretty easy. It just pops right
The other
on.
one was quite difficult.
No, it just slid right on.
Spring?
Now, and this engine's plenty wet the way it is.
Do they
Retainer.
do they make a neoprene instead of a rubber?
Well, neoprene is rubber.
No, well, the difference between a vulcanized rubber and a regular and one that is a urethane type.
They make different seals for different engines. This is
Is
definitely
one
not
better than another? One
Not
better
really.
than the other?
Not really.
All right.
Send you a Sherman
Down. A little more. Okay, right there. Come up. We'll get one in, and then we'll kind of dance it in there, yeah?
You try this. I don't know. It's
That way.
you ready?
Yes. Go. Yeah, there we go. A little more. A little more. That's it. There you go. Come up. Oh, almost. Nope. It popped.
Do you want to hold this from that angle?
So if you guys have the right tool, how long
Are
will
we
it
still
take to do
rolling?
one of these?
It can be done pretty quickly. Except I don't even know if the tool exists for this engine anymore.
Oh, okay.
Allie, the tool I brought, I can change all the valve springs in my race car in 30 minutes.
All of them? Wow.
All
You
16.
could probably get a
Wow.
straight
Yep.
straight
up.
one from eBay.
Come on up.
Somebody's old tool.
Come on
Not
up.
necessarily.
There you
Not a
go.
rotunda.
Sherman, you got it. There you go.
You got it?
Got it. We in,
might
baby.
be able to get one.
Woo!
You want to try and do this one?
Yeah, we can try to do that one. Let's get frisky.
Now, is this a different cylinder or is it the
Same cylinder.
Still cylinder 5.
This is 6. This is 5.
Oh, so you're going to do the
We're going to
exhaust
the
one.
exhaust now.
Ah,
We're
okay.
gonna try.
Look how sludgy. Icky.
And ultimately, it doesn't matter that this is black and sludgy in there.
Not really.
Not at the
But if
moment.
you were doing a full-on rebuild, you'd...
That would get hot tanked and
Right.
blasted and everything at the machine shop. And it would look like brand new iron.
Right, right.
You've seen the time-lapse videos on
This
YouTube.
is
Yes,
not.
I am.
This is not that bad.
No, this is
How
not
many miles do you
usual.
think are on this car?
We
No
think
idea.
we think it's been rebuilt at some point.
The engine's been
Because it's
rebuilt.
been painted, yeah.
And I painted it too.
Probably.
the wrong color, by the way.
Yeah, what is that about?
It's poured blue.
Looks more like
needs
a
to be red.
Looks like
Really?
more of
Okay.
a Cadillac blue, doesn't it?
No, that's Ford blue, but it needs to be red. No, Cadillac blue is dark, dark.
Oh yeah.
I got cans of that because nobody else seems to be able to get it.
I can't get
What
this
do you
one
use,
because
the
this is in
Lilac?
the way.
Every Cadillac, get this, every Cadillac I ever work on, some idiot's either painted it Ford blue or Chrysler blue, and I get pissed off.
Okay,
I'm a
I can't
Crottsville
get
man.
to this one. I can't get to this one, and I won't be able to get to this one or this one, but I can get that one to this one.
All right, let's do those.
You can't do that from this
You
side?
can't do
Yeah,
it from
the
this
carburetor's in the
I
way.
said-
No, we can't because we got to push down.
All right. So, Mike, you want to turn the air off
We're gonna have to do a swappy.
and do the swapping? Yeah, got it.